Hello viewers and welcome to my channel. Today I'm touring Obalende roundabout, which is also a bus garage and one of the biggest garage in Lagos Island. That's if it's actually not the biggest. There's a saying that a people without the knowledge of their past history, origin and culture is like a tree without roots by Marcus Garvey. It's so unfortunate that today most people do not know their history or even the history of the environment. Let's start by understanding the meaning of the name Obalende. Obalende is a contraction of the Yoruba saying Ibiti Oba Lewade. I don't know if I said it correctly, meaning where the king chased us to is a neighborhood of Lagos, Nigeria, located in Etiosa local government area in Lagos Island. Etiosa was split by the Lagos government into local communities development areas, of which Ikoyi Obalende is one. It originated from the time when Oba Kosoko, the king of Lagos in the mid-19th century, was exiled. His followers, who were not able to stay in Lagos Island, settled in the area now called Obalende, marking it as the end of the king's reign. Before the tall, beautiful buildings you see today at Ikoyi Obalende used to be a sparsely inhabited area. The area was known for farming and hunting. A certain farming area, which used to be known as Okon Alagbon, coconut plantation, that's the meaning of it, is now the ground for the popular polo club. It was the increasing expansion of the then colonial area in Lagos and the development of Marina that later led to the development of more lands in the area to accommodate the increasing numbers of British officers and Nigerian civil servants in the early years of amalgamation. This new development happened during the era of Governor McGregor. As the area was inhabiting more people, there arose an immediate need for sanitization, and the governor's administration began to drain the Okukomaiko swamp. They also constructed a canal through Lagos Island from the north to the south. This canal separated Lagos Island from Ikoyi and was named after the then colonial governor, Sir McGregor Canal. In a bid to separate residential areas between Europeans and natives, a policy was made. As a result of this policy, the northeast and southeast areas of Ikoyi was allocated to the senior British officers, diplomats, and industry leaders, while the southeast part of Ikoyi, Kefi, was allocated to senior African staffs. This arrangement lasted until the early years of Nigeria's independence, and since then, Ikoyi became the main hub of the federal government of Nigeria, post-colonial masters. A transition in government from military to civilian occurred in October 1979. The new civilian government, under the leadership of Alhaji Lateef Kayode Jakonde, expanded the 8 local government areas to 23. Unfortunately, this only lasted till the 31st of December 1983. Due to the coming of the military government annulled all the newly established local government areas created by the civilian government. There was a new order by the military government for all the states to revert to the provisions by the 1976 local government reforms. This new rule continued August 27, 1991, when the military government created 15 new local government councils throughout the federation. Consequently, the people of Lagos State made multiple requests for the creation of more LCDAs. It was the request that led to the creation of the Ikoyi Obalende local government area in October 2003 and 36 other LCDAs in the state. Ikoyi Obalende local government area comprises of 5 electoral wards, namely Ward A, Obalende, Ward B, Ije and Dolphin, Ward C, inside Ikoyi, Parkview and Lugard, Ward D, Warders, Barrack, Kefi and Awolowo Road, Ward E, Ikoyi. I'm sure some of us would want to ask questions like, what are the notable skills located in Obalende? How did the Royal West African Frontier Force, RWAFF, come to located in Obalende? What role did the Oba of Lagos play in the history of Obalende? How was Obalende changed over time in terms of development and urbanization? What are some of the key landmarks or points of interest in Obalende? How does the local community in Obalende perceive the neighborhood's reputation for its nightlife? What are some of the challenges faced by residents living in the crowded and congested area of Obalende? How was the demographic makeup of Obalende evolved over the years? What are the main economic activities that drive the local economy in Obalende? How has the relationship between the police and army barracks and the surrounding community evolved over time? What are some ongoing development projects or initiatives in Obalende aimed at improving the quality of life for residents? How has the cultural heritage of Obalende influenced the identity of the neighborhood today? What are some of the social issues or concerns that residents in Obalende face on a daily basis? How does Obalende contribute to the overall cultural landscape of Lagos, Nigeria? So those are some of the questions I am sure some of us would want to ask. I'm going to answer all those questions. So let's start by the number one question, which was, what are some notable schools located in Obalende? Some notable schools located in Obalende include St. Gregory's College, Auntie-Ayo International School, and Dolphin High School. These institutions have historical significance and play important roles in the education landscape of the area. Number two, how did the Royal West African Frontier Force (RWAFF) come to be located in Obalende? The RWAFF was located in Obalende during the colonial era because of the British military presence in Lagos. The location was strategic for military operations, and the establishment of the barracks created a lasting military influence in the area, including the construction of Dodan Barracks, which later became the seat of the Nigerian military government. Number three questions. What role did the Oba of Lagos play in the history of Obalende? The Oba of Lagos historically had authority over the entire Lagos region, including Obalende. While the Oba's influence might have waned during British colonization, the area still falls under the traditional jurisdictions of the Oba of Lagos. However, the direct role of the Oba in the development of Obalende is less prominent in historical records. How has Obalende changed over time in terms of development and urbanization? Over the years, Obalende has transformed from a more traditional settlement into a highly urbanized area. The construction of roads, bridges, and markets has led to its development as a bustling commercial residential hub, although it still faces challenges like overcrowding and infrastructure decay. What are some of the key landmarks or points of interest in Obalende? Key landmark includes Dodan Barracks, former military headquarters and residence of Nigerian Military Head of State, St. Gregory's College, Obalende Market, and the Obalende Bus Terminal. This is the bus terminal, as you can see in the video. This whole area is like a bus, is the largest, I would say, in Lagos Island, which serves as a major transportation hub in Lagos. How does the local community in Obalende perceive the neighborhood's reputation for its nightlife and red light district? The community's perception of Obalende nightlife and its reputation as a red light district is mixed. Some locals see the nightlife as an essential aspect of Lagos' vibrant culture, while others view it negatively due to associated crime and social issues. What are some of the challenges faced by residents living in the crowded and congested area of Obalende? Residents face numerous challenges, including overcrowding, traffic congestion, inadequate infrastructure, sanitation issues, and a lack of affordable housing. These problems are exacerbated by the dense population and informal settlements. How has the demographic makeup of Obalende evolved over the years? The demographic makeup of Obalende has evolved significantly over the years. Initially home to a mix of Yoruba and other Nigerian ethnic groups, it has increasingly become more ethnically diverse, with people from all over Nigeria settling in the area due to its central location in Lagos. What are the main economic activities that drive the local economy in Obalende? The local economy is driven by a combination of small-scale commerce, street trading, transportation services due to the bus terminal, and informal businesses. There are also markets, shops, and other commercial ventures. How has the relationship between the police and army barracks and the surrounding community evolved over time? The relationship between the military and surrounding community has been shaped by mutual independence and tension. While the barracks provide security and employment for some residents, there have also been clashes, especially in times of political instability. What are some ongoing development projects or initiatives in Obalende aimed at improving the quality of life for residents? There have been efforts by the Lagos state government to improve infrastructure, such as road repairs, markets and reconstruction, and sanitation projects. The Obalende Transport Terminal is one of the more recent initiatives aimed at improving transportation and reducing congestion. How has the cultural heritage of Obalende influenced the identity of the neighborhood today? The cultural diversity of Obalende has significantly shaped its identity, with influences from various Nigerian ethnic groups and expatriate communities. The area's history as a settlement for displaced people and a military base contribute to its unique character. What are some of the social issues or concerns that residents in Obalende face on a daily basis? Residents face various social issues, including poverty, unemployment, crime, and inadequate access to healthcare and education. The dense population and informal settlement exacerbate these problems. How does Obalende contribute to the overall cultural and landscape of Lagos, Nigeria? Obalende is a microcosm of Lagos' broader cultural diversity. Its markets, religious diversity, nightlife, and historical landmark makes it an integral part of the city's identity, contributing to Lagos' reputation as a melting pot of cultures and lifestyle. Sit back and relax while we see more of Obalende Garage in this video. Stay tuned as I'll be touring the streets of Obalende in my upcoming video. So I hope you get to enjoy this video and tell me what you like about this video. Leave your comments and let me know if there's any place you would like me to tour for you. So thank you for watching, and then don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you.